friends, I welcome you here and I want to appreciate you for your trust in me. I'm not here to start preaching a long message to you. I'm here to make you discover how to grow your business revenue in few weeks while getting rid of what is not working and divert all your attentions on something that is working only. See, if you really want to grow your business revenue in few weeks, please watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to be giving you something that will make you to grow your business without spending too much of money on advertisement. So please watch this video from beginning to the end. It's just less than 10-minute video. Many people will tell you that you must have a website for your business because of the money they want to make from you. But I have different opinion, which has been working for my clients for years. By now, you should have known that I didn't just wake up to compose this. It's based on my experience. I've been in this online marketing niche for over a decade now, and I've been privileged to work with big brands in UK, US, Canada, in Nigeria, in Ghana, and some part of African country. Let me tell you this. It's 100% true that website make prospective customers or prospective clients find information about your company faster. But a responsive, highly converting landing page will make your customer buy from you faster. Most of these website developer guys have zero knowledge about SEO, and that is why many of my clients keep on recommending me to their family and friends. Because while building a website or landing page for them, I make sure that I build something that will easily rank on Google and drive tons of free traffic that will bring more sales to your business from Google search. So you can see that website is not enough. In fact, the most important thing is called SEO, which simply means search engine optimization. This makes it very easy for Google to suggest your website or your landing page for your prospective customer that are searching for related keywords that you input on your website. But if this thing called SEO is not properly done on your website, it will just be there for 100 years without any traffic from it, and you not make any sales. So SEO is another job entirely. In fact, I know a company here in Nigeria that spend over $5,000 every single month on SEO alone. So SEO is very expensive, but I can help you get the basic SEO done for free if I'm building your website today. So a few weeks ago, I built this landing page for one real estate company in Lagos, and within 5 days of launching their ad, they made 2 sales on their outstanding land in Ibeju-Lekki. And this company website has been online for the past 6 years without any sales. So I've come to understand that not every business needs website. Some just need a single, straightforward landing page that is very direct to keep their visitor on track with powerful SEO work. That is exactly why I'm here to help you. Now, no matter what you are selling, I will be working with you either to build your landing page or to build a highly converting website that will easily tell the whole world about your business and help your company to grow with my powerful deep SEO strategies, or to help you advertise your product or services on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube using a Facebook sponsor ad. But the issue is, I can't work with more than 5 clients, and it has to be first come, first serve. So what you need to do right now is to click on this button right now, chat me on WhatsApp, and let me know more about your business. Let's talk on how to grow your business in a few weeks. Please, once you hit that send button on WhatsApp, do well by saving my contact immediately. You can save it with Facebook Market or any name you want at all that you can easily remember, so that our communication will be very smooth and productive, because we need to have a good relationship for us to be able to achieve faster. You see, many people are watching this video right now. Successful people take actions immediately and try something out just to help their business, because they have nothing to lose. It's just to help their business grow. So what you need to do right now, because other people will take chances before you take it if you don't take it right now. So click on the button below and chat me straight on WhatsApp. So if you are not on WhatsApp, you can chat me. You see my email, send message to me on my email, or call me and let's talk. Thank you so much. I'll be expecting your message.